Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's episode from myself, Rob. I've done it again.
Yeah.
Grace and Rob here at Dafydd Junction on our journey. No, it's not going to be that again.
Apparently I've got the moves like Jagger.
No, we are not going there again.
No.
But anyway, yes, obviously the plans did go a bit. We usually try and be, most you'll get is like Disney, with a few little things. Only the adults know, but yes, the plans did kind of go south just a bit. It was good to see everyone obviously having a laugh at it though.
If it made somebody smile, it's the only thing that matters.
But for anyone watching with children, we do obviously try and keep the episodes and planned a little bit cleaner than, say, the Saturday Night Lives. It just maybe check in future, read that description, because we did put a little warning just to warn you that it was one of those ones.
Yeah, I'll do that every time. You know, if it does go south, I will obviously put a warning that if you're easily offended or anything, don't watch.
Yeah.
Excuse the notifications, that's the camera telling us that there's movement in the shed, which we're in the shed, so we don't need to be told, but there you go.
Can we pop that on silent, or is it gonna? Okay. So yeah, I've lost train of thought. Oh yes, Morgan is apparently still on holiday, not interested in filming or anything. But those who are on the Motherwell crew social media will see that when I did the recording for that, that is when he decided. So clearly he's just having he's gone on strike at RGJ. But he is okay anyway, guys. He just doesn't want to get in front of the camera at the moment. So this week is all about electric and my mountains. Not together though.
Shocking.
Yes, so Rob is obviously going under the layout to try and future-proof. We don't need it at the moment, but it's just setting it all in there. So when the time comes, we don't have to pull up track or anything. It will be in there ready. And it's a lot tidy wiring this time, isn't it?
Well, I'm not going to claim to be any sort of expert. Just stand still, Rob. Any sort of expert when it comes to the wiring, there's people that are far better at it, but at the same time I'm not dealing with smooth boards.
No, you've also got your dad's, you're working around your dad's
Yeah. I think the only place that's going to be smooth boards is over to your right hand side.
Yeah, and if we need to wire anything in this bit, because that is just straight board, but the rest of it further back and on this side is Rob's dad's. He made this workshop, made the top board, so yeah, we've got that to contend with. But yes, I'm going to be continuing on with the mountains. It is a slower process, but I would rather the same as everything else this time round. Do it right, put in a lot of detail, probably more than needed for where it is, but I can't help myself, guys. Martin said the same on his live, in which case he did go live again. It was fantastic, and he is going for longer. So on that, anyway, I think we're going to crack on. There's nothing to announce other than Motherwell crew is next week, guys, and we won't be live next week, but we are live. No, it'll be after the patrons and members anyway. So yeah, it's just we're live this week, but not next week.
And we won't be live the week after either. Brian's waffle.
Ah, yes.
So we might have to go after Brian's waffle.
Yeah.
Skipping 2 weeks.
We'll have a chat with Brian, guys, and again, keep an eye on things. We'll figure it out maybe we plan to get a episode out for next weekend, but you never know what's going to happen in the lead up to all of this. If we do, we will try and find out in that what we're doing. So anyway, going to head off, crack on, and see you guys in a bit. Bye for now.
Hey guys, so my bit is a bundle mess of wire, those 3D printed fasteners, a junction block, tripod mount. You had a very unhappy Morgan because I've disturbed him. So this is going to be the bus wire. There's 2 lots of red, 2 lots of white, obviously for the 2 tracks. And we're going to try and get this started. It's going to be a little while because I've got to deal with moving that to get at the other wires. So I'm just going to try and do start and do this little bit here. So let's give it a go. I was going to try filming this as I was doing it, guys. Could I get the camera, the phone to sit in the case and be stable and everything like that? No, I couldn't. So, terminal block here. Got the 2 lots of wires. Yeah, they're both red and white because future-proofing it for DC. No, future-proofing it for DCC even. Got the droppers coming down. I've twisted them. I know there's 2 schools of thought on this from what I read online. One says twisting's better, one says connectors are better. I don't know, so I twisted them for now. I might solder them as well, as long as I don't do what I did just in an attempt in doing it, and that's trying to burn my face with the solder. So, dropper wires coming down, twisted onto those. I do need to try and insulate these, whether I just get some insulation tape on them, because obviously they're a little bit on the close side if I do that. The 3D printed cable tie mount holders to tidy it in place. Various places I'm going to have things like this, which is originally part of Dad's cupboards and timber work and all this sort of stuff. A little bit too thin to go drilling through it, so some of the places I am going to have to just sort of leap over it. Again, second joints are, no, one there, one over there, and it's just a case of trying to make it, like I say, it can be tidier, but I was told to also to try and leave these things a little bit on the slack side as well, rather than it being like perfectly taut. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. Bear in mind, DCC, bus wiring, droppers, all that's new to me. If I can get it tidier as I go along with your hints and tips and what have you, it would be appreciated. Anyway, I shall pass you over to Grace. You're no doubt working somewhere with our mountains.
Hey everyone, so I am carrying on with like this school area, doing the path. The stables are obviously like a temporary at the moment because one's still being built, and eventually when we get the kit, this one will be remade. But you would have seen on the last episode, my plastering has never been any good, but I am going to use this to my advantage. Happy accidents, guys. And have it that effect of badly concreted ground like you get with these places. The one thing I am going to use is like this ballast and probably get the airbrush out. Now, Martin on his live did a few more announcements, including a 20% store-wide discount end the 1st of June, but I can't remember where it starts. They did have ballast that would be suitable for like a dusty path, but I haven't got that. So it's like an alternative using what I've got and then airbrush the colour that I want. We'll see how it goes, and hopefully by the end of this we'll have a scorn path and maybe move on to like the main house gardening area. We'll see how it goes.
Hey guys, so as I'm glowing along, I thought I may as well have it for a chat and do. It's been a while since I've done one of them, isn't it? Using my getting the fence posts back in now, the pass down. And then this time I've actually got these chippings for the sand school. They look a heck of a lot better. Here, as you can see, as it's developed, it is actually a lot darker, so I might have to get the airbrush out on that. But that was always an idea anyway. And you'll notice fences is missing. The reason being is when I was looking at it from afar, it just didn't look right. Pardon me. It just seemed to blend in, and once I get that set in, I might relook at it. But if not, I'm going to finally use these. We got these absolutely ages ago. So I'm going to look at maybe doing them, but seen it with Model Railway Guy. They are quite fiddly, that kind of type. So that should be fun. But,
do you know who else you used then?
go on.
I forget his channel name, the one that's taken his channel down, taken his layout down twice. Tony.
Choberton.
Yeah.
Inverted Popes.
Yeah, he's used those fence posts. I think that's where I first noticed them.
I know, I just remember that Model Railway Guy doing it, that was all. And I've always liked them. But I believe they are quite fiddly, guys. Fiddlier than this. And I have done my drilling slightly wrong. Stick with it. While I like detail, guys, I won't see that over there. So that little bit, you know, is there, but isn't there. Oh, that's actually because it's come out of its hole. That might be why. I did think I had these matching up before. So, yes, I'm probably doing this the wrong way.
You're going to be tearing your hair out. We know that, don't you?
Well, no. Well, God loves a try. That's why he loves me.
I'm
But-
saying you're very trying.
But I believe using tweezers is the key. And I'm not joking on that. Again, that was the video I watched of he used tweezers to kind of thread it through. But yes, we shall see, especially if, like right now, I've got the shakes. Now, I put this in. I don't know whether to keep these movable so I can have them open or closed. Yeah, I'm going to do that again, guys. I'm going to leave one end of it not glued in. So either way I choose. The hole is there to keep it in. But if not, I can just,
Excuse me.
depending on the scene I go with, can have that there.
Are you going to take offence at it?
Help me, guys. Please, somebody. Yeah. So,
Help me, Obi-Wan. You're the only hope.
guys, really help me now, please. Please help me. I live with him. You only put up with him twice or 3 times a week. But yeah, this, I would say this is the easy bit, again, because of the surface. It has been a lot easier to drill than some places. I still need to try out the, I was going to say IKEA then, but the ones we got from Lidl, they do still need a test out, but I kind of continue with this because the drill was working for what I needed. So now was not the time to experiment, considering this is me.
No song about that.
What?
This is me.
Yeah, true. And there's a song that it wasn't me, so depending what I've done is which song I'll choose. But yeah, as you can see, guys, still winging it, obviously. That is never going to change. And it is probably a lot more detail than needed, but I can't help it, especially when it's something that this is kind of me, this bit of the railway. They always say you do it personal, and I suppose this bit is what represents me with the horses, isn't it, Rob? Ah, meant to do that, not. I might have got this slightly wrong. Let's see if I can go back in the hole. Ah, there we go. So I'm going to leave that to that. Just let this settle before I go and add the sand in. The sand. We'll see how well that goes. And then I don't know if I've got time for any more, we shall see. But I am really happy with the plastering. I fail at it, but it has done what I wanted in terms of divots and things. To me, it's like the old knackered road surface that you have at places that they've tarmacked, concreted a bit, and it's not done right. So hopefully that'll do it. So crack on, get the sand in, and we'll see where we're at there, guys. So it's me again, guys, and I'm gonna bring it to the end now. This is for Jarvis Fine cork chippings. Those will know the sand. On the patrons, it didn't go very well. However, this stuff is fantastic, and you add in this little sieve, and it's a very nice way to evenly do this. So I'm not going to bore you with the gluing part, but at the end of this, guys, we just want to say a massive thank you as always for tuning in. If you're brand new to us, why not be a loony and hit that subscribe button? Hitting the like always helps, as well as the hype button. Comment away, guys, as always, and share us out. It's always appreciated. But thank you all, and I hope you have a good week. If we don't get an episode out next week, well, have a fantastic weekend for next week, and hopefully we'll see some of you at Crew. Why not remind us who is going, and we'll see you there. Bye, guys.